everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And who doesn't love style and comfort, even when you're working out? This Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat has been a great addition to my workouts and home gym. I work out in my basement and comfort is key. This mat is 2/5 inches thick, and it's not too cushioned that I lose my balance. It's also just a bonus that it's beautiful pink color, so I can tell it apart from my husband's. The carry strap is great if you want to take it on the go or just even to bring it outside. It's 72 inches long, so it's perfect because I'm 5'10" and I easily can fit on it. This Gaiam Essentials Thick Yoga Mat gives me cushioned support, and it helps me look forward and keep up with my fitness goals and routine. And that's my point of view.